Alright guys, so day 2 of tearing apart this boat. Um, this is a pain in the ass. Sweating my ass off. Batteries on my Sawzall keep dying. But I'm getting progress, so this is what's going on. Got the floor mostly taken out. Unfortunately, I pierced my gas tank right over there. So I'm gonna see about maybe trying to weld that together with some kind of plastic weld, or I might just get a new gas tank, something maybe a little bit bigger. This one's already pretty big, but I don't know. Maybe just get a new one. Fuck it. Um, but yeah, as you can see, I got a lot of foam to take out of here. Yep, only 10 more years left. Thanks for watching.